Motorcycle storage instructions. We know how hard it is to keep your motorcycle parked when all you want to do is hit the open road and burn some rubber. But when the time comes to store your bike, whether for winter, travel, or just a break, it's important to do it right. So here are some essential motorcycle storage tips. Before putting your motorcycle into storage, give it a thorough wash. Add a coat of wax too. It acts as a protective barrier against moisture. Change the oil and replace the filter. Dirty oil left sitting can damage engine parts over time. A fresh fill keeps things healthy during downtime. If you're storing your bike for a while, either completely drain the fuel tank or fill it all the way up. A full tank helps prevent moisture buildup and rust. Batteries don't like sitting idle. You can either remove the battery entirely or leave it in with the terminals disconnected. Tires can develop flat spots if they sit too long in one place. Use a motorcycle stand if you have one. It keeps the tires off the ground. If not, just make sure to rotate the wheels occasionally to keep them even. Rodents love finding cozy spots to nest, and your exhaust pipes are prime real estate. Plug your exhaust and muffler to keep them out. Additionally, use TVS rodent repellent spray for parts protection. Finally, use a good quality motorcycle cover. This protects your ride from dust, water, and the elements. And that's it. And your motorcycle will be ready and roaring to go whenever you are. Ride safe, store smart.